This week, Charles and I are getting up in the helicopter, and we're gonna go try to help some of these farmers by knocking down some pigs.
Nice shoot.
So we're deep into heli season, and we're getting calls from farmers left and right. It's planting season, and these pigs are picking up the corn out of the fields as fast as these farmers can put it in. So nothing else left to do but get in the heli and go take care of some of these hogs.
A couple of them. Oh, a little gaggle of them. Right in the middle. Nice shoot.
So we're working a group of pigs, and they've got a lot of land on one side, and they've got a lot of water on the other side, and they made a very bad decision to go for the water. Once these pigs get in the water, they have a very, very low survival rate. They're moving so slow that even somebody like me hanging out of the helicopter is going to be able to knock every one of them down.
There we go. Got them all. On to the next one. Old Sun. There's some over to the right. 3 o'clock. Is that another dog? Yep. Could be. Yep. Got 2 mags left. I warmed up now.
I like that. Well, my time's about up. It's about time for Charles to get in the helicopter. For some reason, I'm already running out of ammo. I think these guys just thought it was funny to only throw a few mags or something in there for me, but I'm out of ammo. Time for me to get out and give Charles his turn.
It is getting late in the day and the sun is starting to set, but we still have a couple hours of flight time left, so it is time to get in the air and get to work on these pigs.
Water dog.
It was warm that afternoon, and so finding pigs deep in the brush was a little difficult, but that last magic hour of sunset, every corner we turned, we saw a group of pigs. And we got after group after group after group. Jake in the pilot seat would pull those pigs out, get them in line out there of those crop fields, and we were laying them down in rows.
So we had a great hunt out here today, knocked down a lot of pigs, fed some fish and turtles, and definitely helped some of these farmers out. So that's gonna be it for today, and we'll get back after them next time.